bakit na-exploitation is because wala tayong way of life, wala tayong goal, wala tayong practice, walang technique. In anything that we do, like sa swimming, may technique. Sa pagkain, may technique, how you chew it, you know. Lahat may process. Pag hindi natin sunod-sunod lahat ng technique and process, kahit ako, sa life of being a wife, a mother, a missionary, everything I have passed, na-notice ko, pag hindi talaga ako sumusunod sa sistema ni Baba, walang nangyayari at i-exploit sa parin. It's just the same. It's, ano lang yan cycle of life. History repeats itself. But at this moment, what is very great, I tell you this, just a simple word. If you have faith with Baba, Baba, even we don't see Him, nakikita natin mga babies, we admire. Bakit nandiyan sila, wala nang sweldo, hirap-hirap yung buhay nila. Every time I speak this, I just want to cry kasi it's very difficult to survive being a missionary. So I feel that they're so great. Na talagang, hindi kasi biro yung practice ni Baba. It's not a joke. Just to follow 16 points.